Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at user segments and how we can use these user segments to personalize or cater content to these set of users. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off by clicking in the menu if you haven't done so already. We'll head over to the control panel, followed by users, and then user groups. Here under user groups, we'll click on the add button, and we're going to name this user group Livingston Rewards. If you'd like to add a description, feel free to do so. Otherwise, we'll go ahead and click Save. So in the real world, we would populate this user group with all of those who are a rewards member of the Livingston Hotels and Resorts. But to keep things simple, we'll go ahead and move on. Heading back over to the left-hand side, we're going to want to make sure that the site administration has Livingston Hotels and Resorts selected. So make sure if it's not, use the site selector to select it. From here, we're going to head down to People, followed by Segments. We're going to click on the plus button here on the right-hand side, and we're going to be adding our Livingston Rewards user group. So first up here at the top for the name, we're going to call this Livingston Rewards. On the right-hand side, we're going to be looking for user groups. Let's see if we can find it. So here's user groups, so go ahead and drag it over here on the left. And then we're going to click on the select button to be selecting our Livingston Rewards. Okay, very good. Last thing we need to do is just to make sure to save up here at the top right. So we have our user segment called Livingston Rewards that has the user group with the same name. Let's go ahead and import some page fragments and go from there. So let's head back over to Site Builder. Let's head over to Page Fragments, and we're going to select the Options button that lines up with Collections. From there, we'll go ahead and select Import, click on the Browse or Choose File, and we're going to be selecting Rewards Page right here. Once you have that selected, we'll click Open, and then Import. Next, let's go ahead and use these page fragments to create a content page. So we'll exit out of the Import window. Let's head back over to the menu under Site Builder. We'll then select Pages. From here, we'll click on the plus button here on the right-hand side, and let's click Content Page. We need to give this page a name. Let's call it Livingston Rewards. Once you have that typed out, we'll click Save, or Add, I should say. And then on the right hand, we have Rewards Page. We'll have a couple of fragments here. Let's go ahead and add the first two fragments. So we'll add Reward Join and Reward or Join Now. So Join Rewards and Join Now. Once we have those, let's go ahead and click Publish. Now let's go into the options of the Livingston Rewards, and we're going to select Edit. Up at the top, we have Experience, and we're going to be selecting the drop-down. We'll have the warning, and that's okay. Let's go ahead and click New Experience. For the experience name, we'll go ahead and call it Rewards Members Experience. Rewards Members Experience. Need the space there. And our target audience, right, is the segment that we created, the Livingston Rewards, that contains our user group with the same name. From here, let's go ahead and click Save. From here, we'll click on the heading, Join the Livingston Rewards group. We'll then click on the pencil to edit. And then we're going to replace the text with Welcome to Livingston Rewards. So since the user segment is containing users who are part of Livingston Rewards, right, we want to give them a welcome message rather than a join message. Okay, next thing we want to do is remove the second fragment. Since they have already joined, they don't need a join call to action. So instead, we'll add from our rewards page our third fragment here, showing some offers and some perks and benefits for being a rewards member. Okay, realistically, we would probably want to change this too. So if you want to change it, you can. Okay, once we have all of that taken care of, let's go ahead and click Publish. So let's take a look at the page that we've just created. So opening up the menu, let's click on Go to Site and navigate over to the Livingston Rewards. You'll see since I'm not a member of the user group, we see the Join Livingston Rewards group. Now, if I wanted to see it, let's go ahead and join that user group. So we're going to do this really quick. Let's head over to the control panel, Users, followed by User Groups. We'll click on the Options button that lines up with the user groups, and then Assign Members. And we're going to assign ourselves, clicking on the plus button up here at the top right, followed by Josiah Copland, and then Add. Finally, we'll go to the page itself one more time, Livingston Rewards, and then we'll see the message is changed based upon that user segment. So very good. So you can see how powerful user segments are used in conjunction with our page fragments, creating these segmented experiences. So very good. So this wraps it up for this video, and I will see you in the next video.